Understanding Kiln Venting, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the term kiln venting. Whether you're a language enthusiast or a professional looking to expand your vocabulary, this video will help you understand not just the meaning, but also how to use this phrase in context. So, let's get started. Before we delve into kiln venting, it's essential to know what a kiln is. A kiln is a type of oven or furnace used for a variety of purposes, such as baking pottery, bricks, and even drying hops for beer. It's a high-temperature heat treatment facility, typically found in industries and art studios. Kilns have been used for millennia to turn objects made from clay into pottery, tiles, and sculptures. Now, let's talk about venting. Venting is the process of removing or releasing air, gas, or another substance from a confined space. In everyday language, you might hear it in contexts like venting a room to let fresh air in, or a radiator system being vented to remove trapped air. Combining these concepts gives us kiln venting. This term specifically refers to the process of removing gases and fumes from the kiln during the firing process. It's a critical safety measure that also helps improve the quality of the final product by preventing defects like discoloration or glaze faults. Understanding the importance of kiln venting is crucial. It's not just about maintaining the equipment. It's also about health and safety. The gases released during firing can be harmful if inhaled, so proper venting is essential for anyone working around a kiln. We hope this explanation has shed light on the term kiln venting and its significance in both industrial and artistic settings. Remember, expanding your vocabulary can open up new worlds of understanding and communication. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.